All right, welcome back to this video where I'm supposed to complete the assignment. Let me just quickly show you. According to the assignment, what I need is to create 6 VM virtual machines on Azure. And unfortunately, when I come to my policies assignment, in assignment, allow resource deployment region. The region I can deploy my VPNs are Germany West Central, Spain Central, Poland Central, France Central, and Austria East. So I can't deploy in all the region apart of those one. That's why I'm not able to deploy some other VMs. So this one I have deployed according my subscription the student want. I was able to deploy the France Central, the says VPN one, VM1 and said VM2 in France Central location, but I can only deploy both. So trying to deploy another one with the same images or changing the images, I can't. Let me just quickly simulate deployment. So I've created a VMs group. So this one is on Germany Central, where I have attached the network group, and this one is created to create a new VPN. For example, engine near VM1 and the region. So I can use Australia East. I don't have Switzerland. I'm not. This one is not part of my region. So only Australia and France Central are available. Remember, the France Central I've already created 2 VMs. So let's try Australia. Engine 1. This policy maintains the set best available regions where your subscription can deploy results. The object of this policy is to ensure that the subscription has full access to Azure service with optional performance. Should you need additional or different regions, contact support. So in this region, even if I change the zone, I must first to pass this space, this stage. So let me just to check quickly in the drop down menu if there is a zone available according to my, no, only this one. Let me just try North Europe, same thing, and West Europe. Oops, same thing. So unfortunately I can't proceed. If I need to create some other VMs, I have to update my subscription. So let me just back on the one I've created. Let's close this one. Okay, I've created the sales one and sales two. So let's start on the sales one. And the sales one, yes, I have sized this as a standard D2 VM, and we have the public IP here, one disk attached. So let me just quickly run this one. So let me start this VM, starting the virtual machine. So let's get a look inside. Normally I have created 3 subnet for the sales one. So let me just, when waiting to create, let me just quickly network interface main VM. So normally I've created this virtual network, and subnets on each department. You can see here we have the engineer subnet, the sales subnet, customer service subnet. This is the default one. I was supposed to attach this subnet according to the department. I don't know what is subnet client center one subnet. Okay, this is per default when I have created the two VMs. The sales one VM1 and the sale VM2. So probably I will delete this one. Okay, our machine already started. Let's go back on virtual. So we turn which one? Did we turn on? Which one is running? Let's see this. Choose one. Oops, I can't be check. Okay, let me check the, yes, it is the one who's running. I have already, so normally I can go on connect and see the public address, the username. I have activated the RDP, the modest protocol, and downloaded already the file. So let me just back out this one quickly. Yes, we have this one. I will just double click on the RDP says connect. Yeah, connecting. Okay, the user, I've just provided my user and the password is just max. So it was the default one, my strange password. All right, and here we go. Alrighty, here we go. Here is the, it says VM1, and in the same VM1 I have attached, I don't know why it's slow, just coming down. All right, perfect. This is the says VMs1, and the user is let's go first on the attached files, share files. We have the sales server attached on that one with 1 GB quota, the one we created. So this is only the temporary storage, but the normal storage, maybe we can hide in those and then allow the only user to access on this one. So the one we created, sales server one with 1 GB as quota. So let's back on let me just close this remote desktop. Yes, quickly back on these machines, in the access control, we assign the role to the CEO. The CEO is just a contributor. The group CEO group is just a contributor, like you can see here. It is advisor reviews contributor, and we have sales and marketing groups in this VM, and the role assigned is virtual machine user login. So all of the user inside of this group can log on the computers and on this machine and then get access on the server, the VM. So let's quickly back on yeah, let's quickly back on the virtual computer, and this one is running. We normally we can stop the machine to avoid any charge. Whereas, see, yes, I was supposed to create on each department two VMs, and then assign them the subnet and allow each respective group of user created previously and connect the the file shares we created previously on each department according the last instruction. So unfortunately, I must to do that must update my subscription. The student subscription cannot allow to do that. So see, it's stopping. So when stopping, yes, computer is already stopped. Let's start the sales VM2. While starting, let's go on access control on the sales VM2 role assigns. So on that one, I have as well assigned the CEO as an advisor reviews contributor. Okay, and we are as well as sales and marketing team as a virtual machine use login. So those user can log on this computer. Let's quickly check static. We have 10 user inside, and those 10 user can access on the can log on this VM as well as the first VM. Yeah, normally at the next step we supposed to attach the subnet on each respective VMs. On VMs1, VM2 of the sales, we were supposed to attach the sales subnet, and then we probably can remove the LDP to reinforce the security and create our inbound and outbound rules by creating the IP address and the local one, the providing my ISP public IP address and go ahead. Yes, the machine has already started. Let's quickly back. Yes, on the connect we have this local IP address. The public one is most important, and the pole is the RDP activated just for users purpose. So let's quickly back here and just I don't want to download it again. Just connect. Writing my passport for to one, and yes, accept. There we go. We are inside of this saying VM. I have just chosen to stop the first one because I have noticed when many VM is running in simultaneously with the quota and this performance I have chosen and my subscription is preventing me to move forward or to speed the process. So that's why I prefer to stop the first one. Yeah. Let's quickly go at the Explorer. In the Explorer, you can see here we have touched this sales server too. Like I say, we can iron the up. This is the temporary storage you can remove and iron this one, leave only this one. This with the 1 gigabyte per size quota for the sales users, sales and marketing department. Yeah, I think that's all, and thank you for watching. Let's go back and close it.